Hi, my name is Kaka Merton, and this is my lovely wife, Beryl Merton. I hope you will love this mini-series. Please watch to the end. Thank you very much. In this series, you will find out that things are not what they appear to be. You remember the good days when we used to grow up in Hogfoot Lane, St. Elizabeth?
Yes, man, and the good school days when head teacher Ty and James used to beat we. You remember when you and Elan and him brother Nude was fighting? I know you was defending
Give me some raw slick, you know. But it worked out, hon. Now you and my lifeline in my lap. It worth it, baby.
Those was the good old days. So you remember how you walked me down and me show off on you like me don't want you?
How could I forget, Beryl? You had me wrapped around your finger. I decided that I will never stop until I get you. You are all I need back then. Now, we got 2 lovely kids and a whole bunch of happiness. You are my joy, baby.
Nothing nor no one can come between us, hon.
As a woman, stay, hon. Me also remember when you vexed with me because I ran a joke with Brenda, you was vexed.
A long time me jealous and I was fuming. You lucky me never text a man hitting about you a chat up girl in front of.
Calm down, Beryl. It wasn't like that.
Kaka, I don't see no other man I want in my life.
Me know, Burley. It's you and me, forever. Burley, time to head home.
All right, let's go. Kaka, stop staring at them.
Me just look, Burley.
Kaka, stop staring. We're almost home.
Me just looking, Beryl. Relax. Beryl, can I ask you a question? Should I walk around with 2 shut eyes?
No. Why you ask that though?
Beryl, every time the hot girl's passing, you seem to have a problem with that.
You just staring on those low-life girls. Am I not good looking enough for you?
It's a man thing, hon. Every man likes to feed their eyes.
Man thing or not, you should respect me and stop looking at other women in my presence.
Beryl, am I detecting a form of jealousy here?
No, Kaka, I trust you.
You should know I would never disrespect you for another woman.
Kaka, I don't like how you're looking at them. Me, I wonder if I true have 2 children, my body not as hot as before. Kaka, why are you always looking at them young girls?
Hello, hon. Are you at home?
So we just talk about disrespect in front of me. Who that person you calling hon?
Burley, my love, it's just a friend calling. Nothing to act up about. Let me go and prepare dinner for you and the kids. The children must be hungry.
Mom, Dad, we're here.
Dinner was good, eh, Beryl?
Yes, Kaka, now time to wash.
Mom, this one's tough. I'll help Justin.
Good.
See Kaka with Brenda bar last night?
Kaka, true? You with Brenda?
No, Burley's like the matel. Beryl, wagwan. Me there, everything Chris.
Yeah? Everything Chris, man. What you up to?
Beryl, me see Kaka go up another woman.
What? How the woman?
Some light-skinned woman from town. Them did a kiss too.
Me can't believe this. And next gal, whole heap of people see them. Me soon find out the truth and when me not pure fire me I bring. Young man, do you have any proof?
Yes.
Where the video there?
Yeah, man, me bring it.
Ah, show me. A Kaka and a light-skinned woman a kiss.
Beryl, are you going to make Kaka abuse you? Kaka is taking you for a big fool.
What you mean?
Hey, Beryl, how you doing?
Me there, everything Chris. What going on with you?
Me like you long time in a Beryl.
Really now? You think me not see you and a gal a kiss up? You think me idiot?
No, Beryl, I know so it go.
Or true you not know what me I go do to you? Kaka, me have the video upon my phone.
What video, Beryl?
Watch me and you. A fool you take me for. Kaka, what this me see on the phone?
Beryl, wait, it's not yet.
You kiss her, write this up.
Me can explain. When me kiss her, it was just a chops on her lips, but when you kiss me, your tongue go all the way in my throat. Plus, it's just a little chops. She's not important, hon. You are, though.
You think true you see me sit down. I laugh you think me buy that. Kaka, why does everyone always accuse you of being with other women?
They're jealous over our relationship, baby.
Kaka, if I find out that you're cheating on me, I will do the unthinkable to you. You were warned.
Beryl, if I find out that you are cheating on me, I will do the unthinkable to you. Beryl, what are you talking about?
You know how me struggle with you in this. I have been through it, Kaka. No woman now come laugh at me. I have gotten loads of opportunity and turned them all down.
Same here, hon. We've both been through it. It will be blood with blood and fire with fire.
The whole bakery will come tumbling down on you.
Yeah, man, me did have to see you.
Where you have it for me?
Something special.
I want to show you me in a special way.
All right, show me. Come here, my love.
You there, babe. I hope no one finds out that we are involved, because in my culture, it's a taboo to sex a man's wife.
You should have thought about all of that before we started. Now I can't hide my true feelings.
Beryl, wait. We were just getting even with Kaka for what he has done to you and the vow.
So what about the love I developed for you?
My heart is not a toy.
I thought we were just having a fling here and there.
I was even planning to divorce him ASAP and we eloped to Europe.
For real? You're serious about this?
Dead serious.
You and I know he has an anger problem. I am scared of him. He always talking about kill, kill.
What are you saying? Calm down.
All I know is I am the only child for my parents. And I am not ready to die now because of sex and a man's wife.
So you're on your own, Beryl. I am out of this fling.
What? Just like that?
Yeah, just like that.
So you mean say me get used by a small boy, Kingsley? Watch me and you.
Beryl, wait, listen.
Imagine him use me and abuse my body and now me on my own again.
If it never for the madman you married to, I would stick around. Beryl, wait!
Kingsley, you are a user and a womanizer. I hate you.
Beryl, I found out you're having an affair.
You caused it, Ka.
How can you say that?
Kaka, you out there frolicking with women all over St. Bess. Do you think people wouldn't find me attractive?
Beryl, it's not like that.
Kingsley. 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 Kingsley.
What's happening today? The sky is falling. The spirits are dancing. Beryl, do witchcraft on your son.
Beryl? Oh no.
This will cleanse him.
Thank you.
Kingsley, you're better now. You're going to live with Vera in Spanish Town.
And Vera, in Spanish Town, she take care of you good.
Kaka, I catches you red-handed with this loser whom call herself woman.
Excuse me, who are you referring to as a loser?
Shut that trap of yours. I am not talking to you, Jezebel. I am talking to my husband.
I can explain. Calm down, hon. It is not what you think.
We are discussing business, that is why the door open.
Explain to me, Kaka. You say you can explain. Jezebel, what kind of business you lot are doing?
Hon, you know, says she's filing for me to go to the USA and we are here discussing it and somehow one thing lead to another.
So, Kaka, you a sellout. You sell us out for a piece of paper we call germs. You seems to call it opportunity. So, Kaka, you a sellout. You sell us for a pink pussy and a Jezebel. Can't fuck me again, Kaka. I will fuck you up. You met me left Kingsley and now look what you do to me. Watch me a dirty frock me a go now.
Dirty frock me, why you teach them a lesson? This is my husband and the woman live a foreign. Place a curse on them so that they will turn on each other.
It will be done.
You think you kid? I hate you a lump of felt. What you are doing to tempt away? I can't take this.
Get off me, oh! Please forgive me, I beg you. I never meant to hurt you. Please listen. Don't shut me out.
And you choose your bed, so sleep in it, Kaka. How far we are come from and you diss me for blue eyes and a piece of paper?
Foreign and help you and the kids out.
You hurt me too much.
Me beg you, one chance. I wish my wife Beryl and my kids was here with me. Me ready now. Time to give me life to God. Walk good. Church ahead.
Praise you, Father, for your love and mercy. Forgive me, Lord, for I've sinned. Your grace sufficient. Hallelujah.
Brethren and sisters, the altar is open. Come forward to receive the blessing. Yes, come. Hallelujah. More souls approaching. Good morning, brothers and sisters. I was controlled by the enemy. He had me doing all sort of things. I was a stupid man doing all manner of evil, and as a result, I lost my family. The Lord is calling on someone here today. The lust of this world have me doing the unthinkable. I am so ashamed of myself.
Is that Beryl who's married to Kaka?
Have a good day and find a good Bible-believing church to go. If you love my content, can you please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.